Greeting traders. Loftus TradeMechanics is an equity-based algorithm system which makes your day-to-day trading much easier. In this meeting, I will be demonstrating you how you can connect Loftus with your Demat account. Currently, we are supporting Zerodha and IFL securities. In order to connect and take your trades from Loftus, you need to create first of all your app key and app secret. To create app key and app secret, you can go to our user manual and go to the following links. What you have to do is you need to go to this link and you need to create your Kite Connect account so that your app key and app secret can be issued. If you see here, let me log in my account and I will show you after login how you see your app keys. Now just make sure when you create your app key, you just give a dummy URL as a redirectional URL so that you can get the access token right from here. Your app key and your secret is available here. Now when you get this information, what you should do is you need to sign in to your account. So the Loftus is supporting this algorithm on Nasdaq and BSE both exchanges, but currently we are discussing about India exchange. So I'm logging in with my account. This is my account and let me log in. Okay, it is logging in. Okay, I'm seeing all those trades which are opened, successful or failed today. That's fine. What you should do essentially is you need to come to the user settings, and in user settings you need to configure certain parameters like amount per trade, like what will be your amount you want to trade. Maybe if you want to take 10,000 rupees example and you want to take 2 trades, probably you will be giving 5,000 rupees here, so that each trade will take 5,000 at a time. You should configure your client ID, whatever your Zerodha client ID, your app key which is basically captured from here. This is your app key, and then the client secret is here. So what you need to do is you need to capture the client secret from here. So whatever client secret you captured there, you can paste here and then update. And when your configuration is done, what you can do every day is you need to click on connect. When you click on connect, ideally you should get the login screen so that you can access to your account and generate the request token. Okay, now since I'm already logged in into my system with my credentials, so I'm getting the access token right here. I need to copy this access token from here, and this credential is nothing but as your everyday login to your Kite account, user ID, password and the app code that you receive on the Kite app, which is the same method. Now the new access token, new request token you need to paste here, and you need to click on update. When your account is updated successfully, probably you are good to take a trade now. You may try and testing your connection. So your Zerodha is successfully connected. So we are good to take a trade. Now what you need to do is when you want to take a trade, you go to the system trades, and then you can see which are the open trades and which are successful, unsuccessful or reported trades. Based on score, you can select your trade. So let me select my trade which is stronger. So I think CG Power score is better and the price is also available within my range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select CG Power is my trade for today, and I click on buy. Now when I click on buy, what it does basically calculates your trade, number of shares you will be buying in for the amount you have configured into the amount per trade field, and what is the margin requirement here. If you are happy with this order, you can click on confirm, and your order has been placed successfully. And when you go to your Zerodha account, the trade has been rejected. and insufficient fund. I think I need to lower the let me check my margin first. Okay, I think the fund is less. Let me take my positions. There is no positions, orders. Okay, I think there is an order already being placed, which is why this order is rejected. What I'm going to do is I am cancelling this my order. So I have all those funds available, and I'm again coming back to CG Power and I'm initiating my buy order. Okay, so there was an error and the trade was taken already once, so I cannot take this trade. In this situation, you should ideally contact support if your trade order was failed in for any scenario and you could not take that same trade. When you post this message, we will receive the information and we will do the correction for you, and then after you will be able to take the trade. But what I will do for now is I will be choosing another trade. So if not CZ Power, what is in my range? Okay, 4541 4552. I think this looks good to me. And let me check any sell trade. Okay, 191.80, 192.0. Okay, I want to take this sell trade, Gale. So I click on sell button. So total quantity sell is 10 and I can say confirm. Okay, so my intraday trade order for Gale has been successfully placed. Okay, now let me go back and check here my orders. So my order is placed successfully and completed. I can come to my positions. I can see that this order is displaying. Now when you come to again Loftus, you can click on my trades. So if you see like the Infi trade I cancelled manually, ideally you should not cancel it. Once your trade is taken, the trade will be taken as a automation of execution. Now if you see the trade of CG Power is also requested, but like the order was failed, but the Gale which is requested, and if you refresh this in some time, the status will be updating. Okay, now let me show you one example scenario. So if you take a trade, then this will be your scenario, meaning your trade status will be updated dynamically. Your order will be placed first of all, and then when the order is executed, then the order status will be open, and when the profit or partial profit or stop loss is triggered, whatever the situation, your order status will be closed, and whatever trades you have taken for the day, all the summary of your profit and loss will be available here. Now this amount does not include your brokerage charges, it just shows your day profit and loss. Okay, let us go back here and let's see if the status is any update here. Okay, so the batch is running in the background and the order status will be updating in a while. Meanwhile, let us go back and check here. So we have taken this Gale trade. Now let me click on this Gale. Now this will tell you all those information that you want to have in order to take a trade. So like since I have taken a sell trade, so I will be focusing on the red candles. So I'm happy like all those candles are red, there is no green candle formed. The volatility is 2%, which is also good. So large price gain in last 7 days, whatever things you want to analyze for your trading, that you can do. Let me go and check my trades again. Yes, so now the order has been executed, so the status has been updated as open, and we can see the large price as well here, and we can see the running profit and loss. So if you just update it, the number will be keep changing depend on the current price which we are seeing here. Now this is how you can take a trade, and then you can do your job and do the tradings in parallel. So we can see that the trade status is updated, is open, and we can see the ongoing profit and loss also on the screen. Okay. Now if you have IFL as your broker, then what you can do the same configuration for the IFL. Hope you understand the system, and give us feedback into the comment section below if Loftus is making your trading day to day easy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Happy trading.